He was about to take off. But okay, but that's my short version. I hope you enjoy this. And let me see if I can get him going again. I've got another 7 minutes of the video. Well, I guess we're going to hold it here for now. But this is what it looks like. The remote control for a sky drone. And I'm going to show you for the one that, the little one. Whoops. Here's the little one. Here's the little one, and here's his remote. And don't. So with it. Well, it's been an interesting evening, right, Dino? Me and you had some work to do, and we gotta do some more videos. I hope we gotta do some more videos, Dino. So I tell the before you leave, we're gonna give one last performance. What do you say? One for the show? What do you say, Dino? Let's give one last performance. Dino, hold on, Dino. He just decided to just take off, lazy y'all. Oh, Dino, what you looking at? Dino, what you looking at? Dino, don't walk near the curb, Dino. Don't. There you go. There you go. Got to moving them back legs, huh? Hey. I guess Dino's saying goodbye, ladies and gentlemen. Is he? You don't want to say hi to people, Dino? Dino, come back and say hi. Where you go? Why you going that way? Where you going? Where you? Where you going? Where you going? Dino. Dino. I know you ain't heading to that garbage. Now, Dino, we about to head on in, all right, Dino, come back. Dino, come back here. Dino, 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 Dino. Boys, there you go. Woo. Yeah. See how Dino just takes off, ladies and gentlemen? He just does his own thing. Well, anyway, my name is James. I hope you enjoyed the video here in Columbus, Ohio on this beautiful evening. And so I've just decided to come out, and every once in a while you just got to come out and walk your dinosaur. and, uh, and see how the drones. So now we know how drones and robotic dinosaurs, how they compute. Right, Dino? Say bye to the bye. Say bye, Dino. Oh, you going back to sleep? Or you mad because we had to go in? Oh, it's like that now? All right, then. All right, then. Till next time, you guys take care. And say bye-bye, Dino. To all your fans out there, take care. Y'all have a good evening.